Hello, Teacher Jennie here. Today I will guide you through our newest feature, the interactive class. First things first, you can find the class by tapping the class button. You will see the upcoming classes in the schedule section. You will see the class date and time. Select the time you would like and you can add it to your schedule to book your reservation. And don't worry if you forget. We'll send you a reminder 15 minutes before the class starts. The interactive class is designed to help children develop their confidence in speaking English with native English speakers. All of our classes are taught by our native English-speaking teachers. Your child will be studying and developing what they learned in the learning path by interacting with teachers and our AI chat buddies. They will also sing a song and play games. It sounds fun, right? And don't worry if you miss a class. You can find it in the in-demand section one day after the class time. Our new classes are released twice a week. We hope you enjoy our interactive class. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.